was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No.